Hey guys, it's me, Ben, here at Neha Wireless. As you can see from my caption, we have it all here at Neha Wireless. If you have not been here, I suggest stopping by to check us out. We have everything ranging from stuff for the kids, karaoke speakers, TVs, segways. We do repairs on phones, computers, and game stations. We sell phones, computers, and game stations. We offer phone services as well. So if you want to set up a new service on your phone, whether it be one you get here or one that you bring in, we can totally help. We also have layaway and tons of different payment plans that are currently available. No credit needed for any of that. So make sure that you get down here and get yourself whatever it is you've been wanting, because guys, let me tell you, we have it all here at Neha Wireless. As you can kind of see, we have PlayStation 5s, we have Xbox, iMacs, we have PlayStation 5 accessories, we have PlayStation 4 over here, Oculus, PS4 virtual reality, PS4 controllers, and our accessories are buy one, get one free. So if you buy a phone case or a phone screen protector, then you can get one of a case or screen protector or whatever, accessory like that, completely free. So I suggest coming by here and checking us out. Like I said, we have a little bit of everything in stock, and we can offer just about anything and make sure that you are going home with whatever it is that you are wanting to get. So guys, come check us out here at Neha Wireless. We'll be happy to help.